Here is how to use PancakeSwap on mobile, step by step. First, install a Web3 wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Grabby from your App Store. Open the wallet and make sure it's set to the BNB Smart Chain Network, which is called BEP20. Now head to your wallet's built-in browser. In Trust Wallet, tap Browser or DApps. In MetaMask, tap the browser icon in the bottom menu. In the search bar, type pancakeswap.finance and go to the site. Tap Connect Wallet and select your wallet from the list. Confirm the connection. Once connected, go to the swap section. Choose the token you want to swap from, like BNB, and the token you want to swap to, like Cake, USDT, etc. Enter the amount and tap Swap. Review the details, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Then wait for the confirmation, and your new tokens will appear in your wallet shortly. And that's how to use PancakeSwap on mobile. Easy, fast, and fully decentralized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.